Hello everyone. Recently, the air conditioning industry can be really lively. In 2024, China's air conditioning industry has experienced a period of ups and downs in development. Under such a big environment, we OBAIR also feel the heat of the market as a source manufacturer of the large-scale commercial control air conditioners. We have been committed to provide customers with high-quality products and service. In the process of rapid development of the industry, we also see many new opportunities and challenges. For example, the new version of the air conditioning technology roadmap puts forward to the direction of the technological development of China's air conditioning industry in the next 5 years. And phasing of the goals of intelligence and artificial intelligence, green and low carbon, we realize that only through the continuous innovation can we invincible in the fierce market competition. We are also actively improving new technologies and products, and the endeavors to improve the performance and quality of our products in order to provide customers with more efficient and energy-saving air conditioning solutions. Meanwhile, we also concerned about the increasing diversity customers' demand for air conditioning products, which provide us with a new direction and impetus for environment.